Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Third Degree Adventures. I know we are not on two wheels. We are on four wheels, and that's because today, and like almost every day here in the villages, we take our best friend Eddie to the dog park. We're fortunate we have a dog park pretty close to the house. It's called Paradise Dog Park. So come along while we take Eddie, and let's go. Yeah, you guys, this is Eddie's highlight of his day. He can't wait. He waits by the door and says, "Hey, let's go to the dog park." But between you and me, I'm pretty sure Eddie likes the golf cart ride more than anything else. It's a pretty cool ride. We'll be going through Spanish Springs Town Square. Then we'll go over a bridge designed for golf carts. And then we'll be at the dog park. If you haven't been to the villages before, everybody around here gets around by golf cart. Pretty much the main way to travel around here. Special lanes to travel with your golf cart, bridges, tunnels, hundreds of miles of golf cart trails. And in case you were wondering, yes, I am wearing my seatbelt. And yes, Eddie has got his seatbelt on too. Alright guys, we have arrived. Paradise Dog Park. All right, guys, let's head home. Back over the bridge. Come down here at the square, they have live music every night, weather permitting, that is. But it's all free. You can buy a adult beverage here too, but I don't think they have regular Coors, so you may have to learn drink a Coors Light. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed tagging along with Eddie and I to our trip to Paradise Dog Park. I know we had a good time. I hope you did too. Until next time.